guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an Ipsy haul, the Endless Summer box. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so on the Ipsy store, if you are an active Ipsy member, they have the Ipsy store. And when I was trying to check out on the first, I was trying to see if my bag or my plus was showing me what was going to be in there yet. And at the very top, it had a little thing running through, and one of them was this particular item right here. Now, it was called the Ipsy haul, and it is the Endless Summer box. Now, it is supposed to have $419.60 worth of products, and all I did was pay $59.99. Now it says there's 14 summery faves, including makeup, skincare, hair care, and nail color you can use all season long. So when I saw what was there, I'm like, I have to get that, because one item alone is worth $45 and another item is worth $25, and that's just in two, and there's 14 items in here, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see exactly what we have. I mean, I know what's supposed to be in here, but it's one thing when you look at a photo online versus actually getting it in your hands. Now, there were a few things that I'm so excited to keep for myself, and there are other items that I will go ahead and put in future giveaways. So that's why I thought this was an amazing deal, and I could not pass it up. So let's go ahead and cut the tape and get in here and see what we have. Okay. And I don't even remember getting confirmation, like shipping confirmation. It just showed up today, and I was like, well, alrighty then. So, oh, look, it's kind of like wrapped like a subscription box. How cute is that? Have you guys got anything from Ipsy that was actually like a presentation like this? Because I haven't. They don't even put like paper like this in their normal box. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what all we have. Get all these little squiggies out of the way. Okay, so the main item, the main attraction, the main thing that drew me to this and said yes, because I have this personally. Yes. I got this in one of the Ipsy bags, and I absolutely love this highlighter, you guys. So this is one of the items that you can buy from Huda Beauty directly or from Sephora, and this is $45 by itself. So I wanted to get this to put in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy it as much as I am. So here is, like, it has a little plastic packaging over it, and I'll pull that off just so I can show. Look at this. The packaging is even gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love this. And then just so you can see the colors inside. There's the colors inside, and I'm not going to touch or swatch this because this is going to be in a future giveaway. So you can stay tuned for this upcoming. So let me get this back in the package. So again, this is like one of the main reasons why I bought this. When I saw $59.99 and I saw this with all the other products, I'm like, there's no way I should pass that up. Like, there's no way. And this is still, I just checked, this is still available as of right now. So if you do want to purchase this, this is still available. So there's item number one. Again, I can't wait for one of you guys to get that in my giveaway because it is amazing. Okay, so the next item is right here, and this is the good old Ofra highlighter. And I have two of them, and I always hear everybody raving over Rodeo Drive, and that is what this is. If I can get this bag opened. Okay. So this is the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And let me get that opened. There's that. That is so pretty. And again, I already have two of them that are just like this. So I'm so glad to get another because these highlighters are amazing. So these two highlighters alone, that already pays for the entire box in just two products. Okay, so moving right along, we have from Phil, this is a bright facial oil, rose hip and avocado oil blend for all skin types. So there's that. Next we have, ooh, this is from Ciate London. This is the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. This I will go ahead and put in a future giveaway as well, so stay tuned for future giveaways, you guys. You know I love having as many giveaways as I can so we can give back to you guys, because your positive interaction, your support, everything just means the world. So I love to be able to give back to you guys. So here's the packaging, and I'm not gonna open it or anything, but there's the packaging right there. And this is the translucent powder. There's a little paper in there as well. So one of you guys will enjoy that. Next we have is a Pixi by Petra. This is the Rose Glow Mist with 7 flower oils. There's the packaging. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with that just yet. Some of the stuff I'm going to keep for myself, and the rest of it I am going to be putting in future giveaways. So I'm not gonna be opening or swatching anything, but I wanted to show you what is in this haul to know if it's a good value. And so far, yes, yes, and yes. $416 worth of products for $59. Ha! And free shipping, you guys. So next is Playa. And this is the Endless Summer Spray, Southern California Sea Salt. So there's that product right there. And that's a big, good size. That barely fit in the box. Next we have is a nail polish by Pretty Woman. And the color is Berry Wild. Ooh, that is a very pretty color. It's like a burgundy. Ooh, that is a very nice color. I really do like that. Next we have is a product by Orzea. I'm not sure how you say that, but it's in this little package and it's completely sealed. So I'm not gonna open it. It says the Nude Shimmer and Contour Shadow. There's the packaging. There's the back of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it right back down in here and stick this in my future giveaway pile. So there's that item. All right, so next we have I Do Care, DEW, I Do Care, Straight Radiance Moisturizing Gold Gel Cream. There's the packaging and there is the logo. Let me go ahead and, again, I'm not going to open anything because I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with each individual item, but I will show you the actual packaging. So there's that. There's the top. And that's a Glow Radiance Gel Cream. Next we have is from 111 Skin. This is Rose Gold Radiance Booster Eliminator, the 111 Skin. I do have a serum by 111 Skin. I believe I got from an Ipsy. And ooh, that packaging is really pretty. That is definitely rose gold. And then you have the dropper. So there's that. All right, we have a few more items, you guys. The next one is from Glow for a Cause, Love Lip Flirt. And that looks like it is a chapstick or a lip balm. And it looks like it's a pink. I do have one of these that came in another one. I don't remember if I've used it or not, but I know it is in my thing ready to be used because I have so many different balms that I'm trying to use the ones that are open first. But I already do have an open one of these, so this will definitely go in a future giveaway. Then next we have by the Balm. This is a creamy lip stain. There's the packaging, and the Balm has so much cute packaging, but let me show you the color. And again, I'm not gonna swatch it, I'm not gonna touch it, but that looks like a really pretty color. I have so many lips products going on, you guys. So this will go in a giveaway. Next we have is by Pur Lisse. This is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free, water cream, prime skin for makeup. There's the packaging. And inside, there's that. beauty throughout Asian wisdom. Benefits: green tea is powerful antioxidants that moisturize the skin and protects from signs of aging. White tea soothes sensitive skin. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. French marine plants help restore moisture. The ritual: gently smooth over face before makeup or wear alone. For best results, cleanse skin with Pur Lisse cleansing milk first. Great for daily use. 2 beautiful skin. So there's that, and that is a very good brand. And then the last item in here is from Benefit, and this is the Bang Bad Gal 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara. Then I don't know, and I normally don't wear too much mascara. I've recently been using the Man Eater by Tarte, which I actually do like. So I don't know how this holds up to it, if I'm going to keep this product or put it in a future giveaway. If any of you guys have actually used this product, please let me know down below, and that'll help kind of determine what I do with it. But I did see in my good old Ulta magazine that this particular item right here is right here, and it is $25. So this is an amazing steal for $59.99 and free shipping. So again, if you guys are a part of Ipsy and you want to go purchase this, it is still available. I checked today and it says something about like 59 days left. So I don't know when they're gonna sell out of it, but apparently this promotion is going to run for, it seems, what would be another 2 months. That's just what it showed. I'm not quite sure. But again, you guys, we got the Benefit Brow Gal, which is $25 in itself. The Playa. We have the Pixi by Petra. We have the 111 Skin. The nail polish, which is a very pretty color. So the color being Berry Wild is very suitable. You have the Pur Lisse, the Ofra highlighter, the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter. You have the Ciate London translucent powder. You have this little guy with the 4 quad, it looks like, I think this is an eyeshadow palette. And then you have the facial oil, the Benefit lip product, the chapstick or balm, and then you have this little guy with the gold gel cream. So that is everything that came in this box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, did you purchase this? Do you want to purchase this? Do you think it was a good deal? What was your favorite item in here? Did anything stick out to you? Comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly do appreciate that, and I appreciate every single one of you as well. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and then you'll be able to see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.